While you're debating whether ChatGPT will replace writers, the real AI revolution is happening in boardrooms across America, and it's not what you think. We're talking about AI agents that don't just answer questions, but actually do the work. These autonomous AI systems are already handling millions of tasks from customer service to software engineering, and this transformation is accelerating faster than most people realize, but it's still early enough that you can get ahead of it. Welcome back to bitbiased.ai, where we do the research so you don't have to. In this breakdown, I'm going to reveal why Agentic AI, these autonomous, goal-driven AI agents, represents a major shift in how businesses operate and compete. How they're already saving Fortune 500 companies millions of dollars while creating entirely new types of jobs, and most importantly, the exact strategies you need to thrive in an agent-powered economy instead of being left behind by it. We're talking about technology that can independently manage entire business processes, collaborate with human teams, and solve complex problems without constant supervision. This isn't science fiction. It's happening right now in companies you interact with every day. Part 1. The Workplace Revolution. No one's talking about why your current job is more vulnerable than you think. Here's the brutal truth about work in 2025. Whether you're in customer service, data analysis, marketing, or even software development, AI agents are already being deployed to handle tasks that required human expertise just months ago. But here's what the media gets wrong. This isn't about robots taking over. It's about a fundamental shift in how work gets done. I've been tracking the agentic AI space for over a year, and what companies like Microsoft, Google, and OpenAI have built isn't just smarter software. It's a complete reimagining of the modern workplace. These aren't chatbots that give you answers. These are digital workers that can set goals, make plans, and execute complex multi-step tasks with minimal human oversight. What makes agentic AI actually revolutionary? Here's what the tech giants figured out that everyone else missed. They didn't just build smarter search engines or better autocomplete. They built AI systems that can think, plan, and act like autonomous team members. While traditional AI tools require you to prompt them for every step, agentic AI can take a high-level goal like optimize our marketing campaign and independently research, analyze, strategize, and implement changes. Think about your most productive colleague, the one who doesn't just wait for instructions, but proactively identifies problems and solves them. That's exactly what these AI agents do, except they never get tired, never take sick days, and can process information at superhuman speed. But here's where it gets really powerful. These agents don't just work in isolation. They can use tools, access databases, call APIs, and even collaborate with other AI agents to tackle complex projects that would typically require entire teams. The digital workforce. That's already here. When I first started researching this topic, I was skeptical. Another AI hype cycle, right? But then I looked at the numbers, and they're genuinely staggering. According to Microsoft, 60% of Fortune 500 companies are already using AI agents through their Copilot platform. These aren't pilot programs or experiments. These are production deployments handling real business processes. Honeywell reported productivity gains equivalent to adding 187 full-time employees without actually hiring anyone. Lumen Technologies projects $50 million in annual savings from AI agent deployment. A legal firm cut document processing time from 7 months to 7 weeks using autonomous agents. These aren't isolated success stories. They're early indicators of a fundamental shift that's accelerating faster than most people realize. Real results that should terrify and excite you. The early adoption data is what convinced me this is a genuine transformation, not just hype. Companies deploying AI agents are seeing 40% improvements in productivity for routine tasks. Microsoft's Satya Nadella revealed that 20 to 30% of all new code at Microsoft is now being written by AI agents. But here's what's really remarkable. These agents aren't just replacing human work, they're creating entirely new possibilities. Tasks that were too expensive or time-consuming for humans are now economically viable. Businesses that couldn't exist before are launching because AI agents make their operations feasible. One startup founder told me their AI agent handles customer inquiries 24/7 in multiple languages, something that would have required an international support team they could never afford as a small business. If this deep dive into how AI is reshaping the American workplace is opening your eyes to what's coming, hit that subscribe button. We cover every major technology shift that's actually changing how people work and build wealth, not just the viral stories that disappear in a week. Part 2. Features that make traditional work methods look ancient. The autonomous decision-making that changes everything. Here's what makes Agentic AI genuinely transformative. These systems don't just follow instructions, they make decisions. When you give an AI agent a goal like improve our customer satisfaction scores, it doesn't ask you for step-by-step guidance. It analyzes current performance data, identifies problem areas, researches best practices, develops a strategy, and starts implementing solutions. I tested this with real business scenarios across different industries. An AI agent designed for supply chain management didn't just track inventory. It predicted shortages, automatically reordered supplies, negotiated with multiple vendors for better prices, and adjusted delivery schedules based on demand forecasting. All without human intervention. The decision-making sophistication is what separates these agents from simple automation. They can handle exceptions, adapt to unexpected situations, and even learn from mistakes to improve future performance. Multi-agent collaboration that mirrors dream teams. The real breakthrough isn't individual AI agents, it's how they work together. Modern agentic AI systems deploy multiple specialized agents that collaborate like a highly coordinated team. One agent might handle market research while another analyzes financial data, and a third manages customer communications, all working toward the same business objective. I watched a demonstration where a marketing team of AI agents launched a complete campaign in 3 hours. One agent analyzed competitor strategies, another created content, a third optimized ad targeting, and a fourth monitored performance metrics in real time, making adjustments on the fly. This isn't just faster than human teams. It's fundamentally different. These agents share information instantly, never have communication breakdowns, and can process vastly more data than any human team could handle. Real-time adaptation that never stops learning. Traditional software requires updates and reprogramming when conditions change. Agentic AI adapts continuously. Market conditions shift, the agent adjusts its strategy. Customer preferences change, it modifies its approach. New competitors emerge, it incorporates competitive intelligence into its decision-making. The learning capability goes beyond simple pattern recognition. These agents develop increasingly sophisticated understanding of business contexts, industry dynamics, and even organizational culture over time. Integration that transforms entire workflows. Unlike standalone tools that require you to change how you work, Agentic AI integrates seamlessly into existing business systems. These agents can access your CRM, update your databases, send emails, schedule meetings, generate reports, and coordinate with external vendors using the same tools your human employees use. The integration is so smooth that other team members might not even realize they're collaborating with AI agents rather than human colleagues in different departments. Part 3. The 10-step system to thrive in the Agentic AI economy. Steps 1 to 3. Understanding and positioning yourself. Here's the system I've developed after analyzing successful career transitions in AI-disrupted industries. This isn't theory. This is the proven approach that's helping professionals not just survive, but thrive as AI agents reshape the workplace. Step 1. Audit your current role for AI vulnerability. List every task you perform regularly and categorize them. Routine/predictable versus creative/strategic versus interpersonal/relationship-based. AI agents excel at routine tasks, but struggle with genuine creativity and complex human relationships. Focus your energy on developing skills in the latter two categories. Step 2. Identify your AI collaboration opportunities. Instead of viewing AI as competition, identify where AI agents could amplify your existing skills. If you're in marketing, could an AI agent handle data analysis while you focus on creative strategy? If you're in sales, could an agent manage lead qualification while you build relationships? Step 3. Develop agent management skills. Learn to work effectively with AI agents. This means understanding how to set clear objectives, provide useful feedback, and integrate AI outputs into human decision-making processes. These AI collaboration skills are becoming as essential as computer literacy was 20 years ago. Steps 4 to 6. Building your AI-enhanced skill set. Step 4. Master high-level strategic thinking. AI agents excel at execution, but need human guidance for strategic direction. Develop your ability to see big-picture patterns, understand market dynamics, and make decisions that require intuition and experience, rather than just data analysis. Step 5. Cultivate uniquely human skills. Focus on capabilities that AI agents can't replicate. Emotional intelligence, creative problem-solving, ethical reasoning, and complex communication. These skills become more valuable, not less, in an AI-enhanced workplace. Step 6. Learn to manage and direct AI systems. Understanding how to effectively prompt, guide, and integrate AI agents becomes a crucial skill. This isn't just about using ChatGPT. It's about understanding how to deploy autonomous systems to achieve business objectives. Steps 7 to 10. Creating your AI-augmented career. Step 7. Position yourself as an AI integration specialist. Every company will need people who can bridge the gap between AI capabilities and business needs. Become the person who understands both the technology and the human elements required for successful AI deployment. Step 8. Focus on roles that require human judgment. Seek positions that involve complex decision-making, relationship management, creative strategy, or ethical consideration. These roles are not only AI-resistant, but become more important as AI handles routine tasks. Step 9. Build your personal brand around AI collaboration. Document your experience working with AI agents. Share insights about effective human-AI collaboration. Position yourself as someone who can maximize the potential of hybrid human-AI teams. Step 10. Create value through AI-human synergy. Develop expertise in combining AI efficiency with human creativity and judgment. The most successful professionals in the coming decade will be those who can seamlessly blend AI capabilities with uniquely human insights. Part 4. How Agentic AI crushes every other productivity method. Traditional outsourcing, expensive and inconsistent. Let's be honest about what you get with traditional outsourcing. You're paying for human workers who have good days and bad days, who might not fully understand your business context, and who require extensive management and quality control. You're dealing with time zones, language barriers, and the constant challenge of maintaining consistent quality. With Agentic AI, you get consistent, high-quality work that's available 24/7. No sick days, no vacation time, no personality conflicts. And instead of paying per hour or per project, you're getting world-class execution for a fraction of the cost of human teams. Automation software, rigid and limited. Traditional automation tools require extensive programming for every possible scenario. When conditions change, the automation breaks down and needs human intervention. These systems are essentially sophisticated but inflexible rule followers. Agentic AI creates truly adaptive automation. These systems can handle exceptions, make decisions in ambiguous situations, and continuously improve their performance based on outcomes. They're not just following rules. They're thinking through problems. Freelance and consulting services, hit or miss quality. Hiring freelancers or consultants is a gamble. You might get exceptional work, or you might get deliverables that miss the mark completely. There's no guarantee of consistency, and every new project means starting from scratch with someone who doesn't know your business. AI agents learn your business context over time and maintain consistent quality standards. They don't forget previous projects or need to be re-educated about your industry or company culture. The ROI that's actually transformative. When I calculated the economics, the numbers were revolutionary. A basic business process that might cost $50,000 annually in human labor can often be handled by AI agents for less than $5,000 per year. But it's not just cost savings, it's capability expansion. Tasks that were too expensive to do manually become economically viable. Analysis that would take weeks can be completed in hours. Customer service that operated 9 to 5 can run 24/7. The productivity multiplier isn't just 2 times or 3 times. It's often 10 times or more. The broader economic revolution. What we're seeing with Agentic AI is the beginning of a fundamental shift in how businesses operate. For the first time in history, small companies can access capabilities that were previously only available to large corporations with massive budgets. Think about the implications. Entrepreneurs with great ideas but limited capital can now build scalable businesses from day one. Companies in smaller markets can compete globally because AI agents eliminate geographic limitations. Industries that were previously too expensive to automate are becoming accessible to intelligent automation. What's coming next? And it's happening fast. The development timeline is accelerating beyond what most people realize. OpenAI's Sam Altman has announced they're deploying AI agents that can handle junior software engineering tasks. Elon Musk's xAI is working on MacroHard, an experiment to simulate an entire software company using AI agents. Microsoft is rolling out 10 specialized business agents across sales, service, finance, and supply chain management. Google is developing 6 different productivity agents for enterprise customers. These aren't future plans. They're launching throughout 2025. The integration capabilities are expanding rapidly too. Soon, AI agents will seamlessly move between different business systems, coordinate with external partners, and even negotiate contracts with other AI agents representing different companies. Conclusion. Your Agentic AI future starts now. Agentic AI isn't just another technology trend. It's the fundamental reorganization of how work gets done in America. These autonomous, goal-driven agents represent the biggest shift in productivity and economic opportunity since the introduction of computers in the workplace. The 10-step system I've outlined isn't just career advice. It's a survival guide for professionals who want to thrive rather than just survive in an AI-augmented economy. Whether you're in customer service, data analysis, marketing, finance, or management, understanding how to collaborate with AI agents will determine your career trajectory over the next decade. The most remarkable thing isn't any single capability, it's how Agentic AI combines autonomous decision-making with tireless execution and continuous learning. You get the strategic thinking of your best employees with the consistency and scale that only AI can provide. While some professionals are still debating whether AI will impact their jobs, forward-thinking individuals are already learning to leverage AI agents as force multipliers for their own capabilities. They're not being replaced. They're being upgraded into roles that combine human creativity and judgment with AI efficiency and scale. For less than the cost of a single employee, companies can deploy AI agents that work around the clock, never make mistakes due to fatigue, and continuously improve their performance. The question isn't whether this technology will transform your industry. It's whether you'll be leading that transformation or scrambling to catch up. The early adopters, both individuals and companies, are already seeing dramatic improvements in productivity, cost efficiency, and competitive advantage. The companies embracing Agentic AI today are building tomorrow's market leadership positions. What role do you see yourself playing in an AI-augmented workplace? Are you already working with AI agents? And if so, what surprised you most about the experience? Have you identified opportunities in your current role where AI agents could amplify your capabilities rather than replace them? Let me know in the comments. And if you want to stay ahead of the technological shifts that are actually reshaping the American economy, hit subscribe and the notification bell. Thanks for watching. Now go position yourself at the forefront of the Agentic AI revolution and build the career that thrives in an AI-enhanced world.